Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up an affiliate program for your Teachable account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up an affiliate program for your Teachable products anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, especially selling courses, you know the margins are pretty high. So if you can get affiliates to promote your product and split the profit with them, you're basically getting extra free advertising and marketing. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Teachable account, and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know that the affiliate program and referral program, you can both set up, but they're a little bit different. With the referral program, that's for your existing students. And when they refer somebody, they get a discount off of your courses, your products, things like that. With the affiliate program, you're going to be paying out affiliates to promote your product. If you need help setting up your referral program for your existing students, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So in order to set up an affiliate program, here on the left side, you're going to click on users. It looks like two little people. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see another menu here on the left, and you want to click on affiliates. Okay, here they're going to give you a little bit of information about setting up your affiliate program for your Teachable products, but you want to click on get started. Okay, first you're going to go ahead and set up the cookie time frame. So if an affiliate shares your link, how long is the affiliate link attributed to them? So as you know, companies like Amazon, sometimes it's 24 hours. If you do software, sometimes it's going to be 60 days, 30 days. So that's really up to you. The longer that you have it, the more enticing it's going to be for an affiliate to promote your product. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and put 30 days. Okay, here you can go ahead and choose if you want your affiliates to be able to use links from external URLs. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on and then click on continue. Okay, here they're going to give you a few tips on setting up your affiliate program. I'm going to click take me to my affiliate program. Okay, so next it brings you here. So it's going to give you the traffic from your affiliates, but you want to click here add affiliates. Okay, now you can go ahead and import your affiliates, or you can do it one by one. Import is going to be here. So if you have a spreadsheet of affiliates that you've already worked with previously, or you can manually add them one-on-one, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to click here and then enter in their name, their email. You can create a password if you want. And then here you want to list off what their commission is going to be. So let's say I'm going to give this person 50%. So by default, they're going to be able to refer any product that I'm offering. So it could be a digital product, a course, coaching with me, unless you choose right here. If you choose there, you can go ahead and choose one specific product that they're going to be able to promote. Here you have to confirm that they have consented to receiving emails from your school, and then you want to click on import. Okay, quick second later, the refreshes, and now you can see we have a new affiliate right here. And they also received an email giving them instructions how they can go ahead and start promoting my products through my affiliate program. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up an affiliate program in your Teachable account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.